If you're looking for the perfect way to keep your shoes looking their best, you need a good shoe cleaning brush. With the right brush, you can remove dirt and grime from your shoes and keep them looking fresher for longer. In this video, we'll share our top picks for the finest shoe cleaning brushes of 2023, so you can keep your shoes looking great. We've included a buying guide for every budget and style, so you can find the perfect brush to keep your shoes looking like new. With our list of the top shoe cleaning brushes, you'll have your kicks sparkling in no time. Number 1. Gold Standard Shoe Cleaner Brush. The Gold Standard Shoe Brush Cleaner features a double-sided design with a mix of medium soft and stiff hard bristles. It effectively cleans various materials, including leather, nubuck, suede, canvas, mesh, and nylon. This effective cleaner is easy to use. Simply wet the brush and apply a sneaker cleaning solution before scrubbing in a circular motion. The brush also comes with a convenient plastic box for travel. However, make sure to do a patch test before cleaning the entire shoe. For those looking for extra shine, the hard bristle side is specifically designed for cleaning sneaker soles and midsoles, making it an effective shoe shine brush. It's just the right hardness to remove stubborn stains and hard-to-get dirt. Plus, its soft bristles are perfect for use on softer materials such as leather, suede, and canvas. This option gives your kicks a coveted, out-of-the-box look and feel. Its usefulness, convenience, efficiency, and strength make this shoe cleaner the top choice on our list. Number 2. Joey Shoe Cleaner Brush. This brush kit by Joey contains one large size shine brush, one long-handled horsehair brush, one detailing shoe brush, and one microfiber buffing cloth. The kit is made of high-quality materials, with the brush being made of horsehair and wood and the cloth is made of microfiber. The large horsehair brush has a concave design on the side and a curved design on the front, which provides a premium grip. The long handle design is easy to use, and the round head design allows you to apply shoe polish easily. The detailing brush makes it easier to apply polish to folds and creases in the shoe, as well as get into crevices, edges, and corners. The microfiber buffing cloth is versatile, allowing you to use it for other household items such as handbags, luggage, etc. With this kit, you have everything you need to take proper care of your shoes and leather items, making them last longer. Number 3. Cobblers Choice Company Shoe Cleaner Brush. The Cobblers Choice Shoe Brush is made with 100% horsehair bristles on a beechwood handle from the Black Forest, making use of a flared design with a concave handle. This handcrafted brush has been made with integrity in Germany and is trusted by experts for its unbeatable quality. This brush is designed specifically with cobblers in mind, as the soft bristles are delicate enough to not scratch the leather while offering enough strength to dislodge dirt and raise the fibers of the leather. The perfect size of the compact brush allows for an easy grip overall. Effortlessly buff, shine, and clean using this brush while achieving beautiful results every time. With its stunning design, premium materials, and expert craftsmanship, this option is an ideal choice for those seeking superior quality and comfort when caring for their leather footwear. Enjoy a beautiful shine on your beloved shoes with this top-of-the-line shoe brush. Number 4. Young Joy Shoe Cleaner Brush. The Young Joy Shoe Cleaner Brush set is a great solution for keeping your shoes looking their best. The double-sided brush features one side of hog bristles and the other side is nylon, which allows for different levels of cleaning. The handle is made of beechwood, ensuring a durable design that won't break easily. This brush kit is ideal for cleaning leathers and fabrics, wet or dry. It is specifically designed to clean all areas of the sneaker without damaging delicate materials, making it suitable for both ordinary and leather shoes. With various brush materials, the shoe cleansing brush gets the job done quickly and efficiently on leather, mesh, rubber, foam, suede, nubuck, prime knit, canvas, cloth, and other surfaces. This product is a great investment for an easy way to keep your shoes clean. With quality material construction and versatility in use, this tool can easily become part of your regular footwear maintenance routine. Number 5. Angelus Shoe Cleaner Brush. The Angelus Shoe Cleaning Brush is the perfect tool to keep your shoes looking as good as new. The brush has premium quality hog hair bristles that are firm enough to tackle tough stains but soft enough not to damage delicate fabrics like suede. The 5-inch long brush makes it easy to reach all the surfaces of your sneakers, and its wooden handle fits comfortably in your hand. This brush can be used on a variety of materials, including leather, suede, vinyl, canvas, mesh, cloth, and more. This brand has been servicing and manufacturing shoe and leather care products for over 100 years, so you know you're getting a high-quality product when you choose this brush. It's made in the USA with strict attention to detail, and customer satisfaction is always the top priority. For those who take pride in their footwear, this brush is a must-have.